Hello everyone, so in this video we will do the Simcat 14 analysis. The window is over and the percentile is about to release. So the solutions are already out and I have seen the solutions, the techniques they have used. So basis on that we will do the analysis. Simcat 14 we will go section by section and we will try to cover it under the 10 minutes as usual. So let's start. So first we will start with the VARC section. As usual, this time VARC was a little on the easier side as far as comprehension is concerned. Comprehension was on the easy side. Passage was nice to read and easy to read. There were 4 passages and the rest 8 were the VA questions. The one passage was regarded to the AI networks and the brain. The other was the democracy and some other forms, the evolution of the democracy, we can say. And just give me a minute. Let me see. Okay, so one is the fugitive prints. One is about the fugitive prints and one is about the historical facts. The real problem lies here is that even after analyzing, I have problem with some of the questions. The questions are not similar to the CAT at all, because if you go by the 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 21 CAT VRC, you will find that the options were easy to pick, easy to eliminate, but the Simcat usually give the options, the correct options which don't have direct link or which don't have even inference link to the passage. So that creates a problem and you have to think out of the box and you have to use some extreme logics for that. That is not a good thing. And if we come to the VA was as usual, and if you are scoring something 12 in this VA, it is perfect. It is more than required, I would say. And if we go by the bare minimum marks, at this point of time you should focus most on the CAT actual VRCs rather than the VRC of the mocks, but still we go by the marks. So the 23 plus is the bare minimum marks in this section. If you are scoring low than 23 in this mock, then again it is completely okay. Now we will move to the DLR. So in the DLR there were 2 6 question set and there were 2 4 question set. These 4 question sets were very easy to do. One was candy and the difference. There were 7 people, and then there were 4 girls and 6 boys arrangement. Then one slot question, one matrix arrangement question basis on the rank. So your choice should be first this one, then second this one, and third and fourth from this one. It completely depends on how the 6 question set clicked to you, because for me both are equally difficult. It might happen that you could have done extremely well in the rank set, and if in the first 10 minutes rank set didn't click you, then you must move on to this slot wala set. At least 2 to 3 questions from here is doable. Most of the people might have some problem or have devoted some extreme time to the this 7 people set, because there was logic to this set, but that logic was not that great to crack and it could be easily crackable. But still, if you are not able to do this set, you can ignore this set and you can proceed to this set. The problem in the 6 question set is that it can crunch a lot of time of yours. For example, if you are not able to do the set in the, say, 10 minutes, you must leave the set. If you are stick to the set, then your score will drastically change. Plus one point, that don't get review before doing the Simcats, because a lot of people have different views. Majority of the people are saying DLR to be very easy, but in my opinion it was not easy at all. Even the two sets were not an easy task to crack. So now we will come to the quant was the cat level, but yeah, the questions were repeated. And so in the DLR 23 plus is the bare minimum, and in the quant I would say 33 plus is the bare minimum. I mean, if you go with the proper method, with the traditional methods, not some fancy methods, you will be able to crack at least 12 questions out of the 22 questions. I didn't see any question from any topic to be extremely hard or to be extremely uh, out of the box. So overall, this was a cat level paper in my opinion. Not a very hard, not a very easy, to be honest. Some problem with the VRC of for sure, but these two sections are quite similar to the cat. And if we go by the overall, 46 plus 33 would be 79 plus should be the bare minimum in such a mock. And if you have not attempted this mocks, please attempt. If you have different review, kindly put it in the chat box. Thank you and have a very happy